everyone, it's Lori. How's everybody doing? I'm going to do a 4 1/4 inch white ceramic tile today, and I'm going to use mostly blues. So what I have here is Pthalo blue by Liquitex Basics, Aqua Green, but let me see who that was. I think Aqua Green, Artist Loft Aqua Green, and I actually put in some primary elements mixed in here with Guatemalan green, so a bit of a shimmer into that one. And I have Artist Loft Turquoise. This one has some primary elements mixed in as well. It's called Beach House Blue, so that will have a bit of a shimmer to it as well. And then I have Artist Loft Copper, one of my favorites, very pretty metallic copper. And then I've got Deco Art 24 karat gold. It's the Extreme Sheen metallic gold from Deco Art. Very pretty color. And then I'm going to use a white cell activator today. And I'm going to use a white house paint as my base. And we'll go ahead and leave the recipes I used today down in the description. So you can see them there. Just stirring up my house paint a little bit. So I'm going to use this first. I'm going to put this down as a base on my tile. I have something in mind that I'd like to try to do. I did a small 5x7 painting recently, and the colors were just awesome. So I'm going to try to do something very similar on this tile so I can show you. When I first did the other one, I did not write down or record it, so I did not write down what paints I used. I didn't record it, so I do not know what I used, so I'm kind of looking at it guessing today. So I mixed these paints up just a few minutes ago with this in mind, so I'm hoping I come close. See, and I don't remember what I used originally. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of a base down here first to cover the tile. Like I said, this is a 4 1/4 inch ceramic tile. It is a glazed tile. Some people say you need to use unglazed tiles, but that is not the case. I actually do very well with these. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit down here. I'm going to try to make this a little bit off-centered. That was just a little bit more of the base, the white base house paint. I'm sorry, I'm calling it a base paint. It's a white house paint from Colour Place, which is from Walmart. Like I said, I'll put everything down in the description afterwards when I upload the video. This is the aqua green with the primary elements mixed into it. This is the turquoise with the primary elements mixed in. Pthalo blue, Liquitex Basics. And then I will put down some copper, and then last we will do the gold. I used a little bit of a different pouring recipe today, so I'm hoping this turns out the way I'm looking for it to do. So I'm gonna just torch this very lightly for a second and get rid of some of these air bubbles. All right, now I'm gonna put down my white cell activator right here in the middle. And I'm gonna put my head down there and blow, so please pardon the top of my head while I do that. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, that's very pretty. And that's about what I was going for. I'm looking for, oh, this is working out pretty good. Let me show you. I have a painting here, it's a 5 by 7 inch painting I did. I haven't resined it or anything yet, but it's right here. You can see that? A butterfly and a flower, so I'm going for that kind of look. So that's what I was searching for. This looks pretty. I think I might have reversed the order on the cell activator. I'm sorry, on the color before I laid down the cell activator. I think the last time I used copper last. So what I did is this time I put the gold down before the cell activator. So if you don't know, your cell activator will take the color of the last color you laid down prior to the cell activator. So in this case I put gold down last and then I put the cell activator on top of the gold. So my last one, it looks like more copper. That last painting I just showed you. So I think maybe I will try another one with copper instead of gold, although this is really pretty. So I'm really liking this a lot. I'm very happy with it. So I'm not gonna change it or anything. I'm just gonna do a little bit of whatever you want to call this. I'm sort of drawing it in here to make it look like petals, sort of. This is how I make my flowers. Usually, not always, but a lot of times. I'll just take a skewer. Just sort of draw in to the center. It starts to take a little bit of a shape. All right, so I did not spin it at all. And I don't even think I want to because I like it that much. I am just gonna blow a little bit on the ends here. It'll sort of blow this out on the tips. Okay, pardon my head, or the side of my face, or whatever it is you're seeing. Okay, so then this looks really good. I just sort of tweak it. I kind of just do my thing. There isn't really an explanation to this. As you can see, I'm just doing what I feel like doing to it. Sorry, I'm kind of quiet as I do this. I'm just sort of concentrating. Not that there's much to concentrate on, but I'm just sort of feeling it out, looking at it, deciding what I want to do with it. That kind of thing. This looks really pretty. The cell activator I just made, and it worked very nicely. Okay. Well, I think I am done with this one. I'm gonna get the phone, I'll bring it down for a close-up. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, everyone, here we go with a close-up. I think this came out really pretty. Obviously a lot of shimmer from the gold and the copper, and of course I had some primary elements mixed in, so that's going to add to it. So that's that. So it came out really nice, I think. I'm going to do another one, like I said, with the copper before the cell activator instead of the gold, and see how that turns out. Maybe I'll just go ahead and do it now and take another video and upload them both. So leave me a comment. What do you think? Do you like this? Would you like to see more videos on how I create my flowers and things like that? Leave me a comment. Any suggestions or questions you may have, I'd appreciate hearing from you. Okay, guys. Here's the close-up. As you can see, if you compare the last video I did to this one, you'll see that the cell activator is taking over the copper color instead of gold, which is more what I was looking to do. I absolutely love this. I think these colors are phenomenal. My cell activator worked perfectly. So like I said, if you have any comments or suggestions, you have any questions I can help you with, I can read them in the comments section below. If you'd like to go ahead and leave the note down there, I will get it and I will respond. Alright, so that's that. So have a great day, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel here if you enjoy my painting or would like to see more videos. Also hit the bells so that you're notified when I upload new videos. And if you wouldn't mind, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button for my videos as well. Okay, thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.